Now we are going to create the score grading scheme. Register program score grading. So it says score grad table is empty. Click OK. Before you put anything, you must click add. When you click add, the button changes to OK. Now you will see the list of all the programs you have registered. Only one we registered, UG400 RAG. That's why we have only one here. You are now going to enter the way the scores are done. So we say base score from 70 to seal score 100. The grade point is 5 and the grade is A. Click OK. Confirm entry. Yes, record posted. This thing changes to add. Now we add again. From 60 to 69, the grade is 4. Grade point is 4 and the grade is B. OK. From 50 to 59, grade point is 3 and the grade is C. You should have clicked add first, but it doesn't matter. Just click OK. Record posted. Click add again. From 45 to 49, grade point is 2, grade is D. Click OK. So for some schools there is no E, you just go from here to F. So we'll now say from 0 to 44, grade point is 0 and grade is F. Add OK. Record posted. In the same way, we are going to do the class grading. Table is empty. Click add. We are now doing class grading for UG400 RAG. Base average 4.5, top ceiling 5. First class honors, faculty requirement satisfied. OK. Add again. 3.5 to 4.49. Second class honors, upper division, faculty requirement satisfied. OK. 2.5 to 3.49. Second class honors, lower division, faculty requirement satisfied. Add again. 1.5 to 2.49. Third class honors, faculty requirement satisfied. OK. Finally, those people who don't have pass degree, it's from 0 to 1.49, and this is a fail, and we say faculty requirement not satisfied. Click OK. So we can close this window. If we go back to register program rules, you will discover that the program grading, the score grading scheme and the program grading scheme, they are now showing for UG400 Reg. We've completed it. Now we can see that what we did was for UG400 Reg. If your department is having programs for 5-year programs, regular programs, you do UG500 Reg. If your department is having 600 level programs, you do UG600 Reg. So this is a class grading. Before we go further, what will be the difference between UG400 Reg, which is 4-year, UG500 Reg, which is 5-year, UG600 Reg, which is 6 years? The parameters will change. For example, for UG500, the graduation level will be 500 level, is it not? Pass mark, ceiling unit, and all this may be the same, but the overall base unit. which is the total units a student is supposed to take, is going to be higher than this. I think for 5 years this should be 150, 30 times 5, and for 6 years this one should increase to 180, and so is on this side and on this side. This is where you must go and check your department manual or faculty manual, or talk with your HOD and decide what parameter to put here. Depends on you. So I think all of this information will still remain the same for your institution, because these are generic. Unless it is different for your department, then you can change this. Let's go back to the user manual. So we just did class grading for that. We have done it successfully, but this is just some other information from the user manual. So you can see that whether it is a 400 level regular program, 500 level regular program, 600 level regular program, depending on your institution, the class grading is usually the same, is it not? It's the same, no difference. So you must do them separately for each program that you define.